When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. And I was running from my brother and his friends, and tasted the sweet perfume of the mountain grass I rolled down. I was younger then.
For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
I found my heart, broke it here, made friends and lost them through the years. And I've not seen the boring fields in so long. I know I've grown, but I can't wait to go home.
What is happening to me?
Whatever it is, I'm sure it's only temporary. You okay?
I'm fine.
Astrid, you and I have been through everything together. You don't think we can handle this?
Smoking and rolled cigarettes.
Okay, whatever that means, whatever you want it to mean, I am with you. There will always be a hiccup and Astrid. Always.
My first kiss on a Friday night. I don't reckon that I did it right, but I was younger then.
Well, why didn't you?
Oh. Well, it wasn't perfect. I always thought that if it ever happened, and yes, I've thought about it a lot. It had to be just perfect.
I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real when we watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. Over the castle on the hill. Over the castle on the hill.
Very serious.
One friend left to sell clothes, and one works down by the coast. One had 2 kids but lives alone. One's brother overdosed. One's already on his second wife. One's just barely getting by, but these people race me and I can't.
Well, now you know where I get my dramatic flair.
I'm on my way. I still remember these old
What you're searching for
lanes
isn't out there.
when we did not know the answers, and I missed the way you made me feel.
Come on!
Watch the sunset over the castle on the hill.
Hey, I know you guys got pretty close. I'm sorry you're losing a friend.
But I still have you.